Hello guys, so I will give you 5 tips on how to water plants or outdoor flowers properly. Number 1 is check the soil. Number 2 is water thoroughly. Number 3 is avoid over watering. Number 4 is water at the right time. And number 5 is adjust for plant type and season. Different plants have vary water needs. Succulents, while tropical plants need more water. In hot months, plants may require more